Hello and welcome back to our channel. So Mark Cuban has shared an important message for Doge and its holders. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video, but before coming to it, let's take a quick overview of the overall crypto market. So we are now seeing that the crypto market is back in the green. Almost all the cryptos are now rallying up after a week-long market sell-off. And we can see that the total crypto market cap is also growing steadily, and the total crypto market volume has also improved in the last 24 hours. And the best thing is that major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge are now moving up, and they are now showing some signs of recovery. And now, before I talk about the important catalyst that is fueling the market to move up and why it is going to assist the market to move up in the coming day as well, let's first talk about Mark Cuban's important message for Doge. So just recently, Dallas Mavericks owner, Mark Cuban has defended his comments about Doge being better suited for payments than Bitcoin. He said that Bitcoin will never be a hedge against inflation. Cuban made the comments on Twitter while responding to a tweet by podcaster Preston Pitch, who stated that Cuban was pumping Doge back in May. Cuban responded to his tweet and he clarified his stance on Doge by saying that Dogecoin is good for spending, and it is better than a lottery ticket. Meanwhile, Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus also joined the debate and came to Cuban's defense. He said it was annoying when keyboard warriors misrepresent people's words. Moreover, we know that Cuban has previously argued that there is more likelihood of people using Dogecoin for making purchases compared to other cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum that have steep valuations. He believes that Dogecoin is better suited for making payments, and he thinks that Dogecoin will outperform other currencies only if more companies adopt it for payment. And as long as more companies take Dogecoin for products and services, then Dogecoin can become a usable currency. This is because Dogecoin can hold its value better than fiat currency. And we know that Cuban set an example when the Dallas Mavericks became one of the first entities to begin accepting Dogecoin for ticket purchases and merchandise in March last year, and a slew of other companies like AMC Entertainment Holdings followed suit. So the point is that Mark Cuban believes that Dogecoin is the best crypto for making transactions. And this is why more and more firms are going to adopt it. After accepting Dogecoin payments for merchandise, Tesla is going to accept it for its electric vehicles as well. And since Tesla is one of the biggest firms in the world right now, if it accepts Doge payments, the mainstream adoption of Dogecoin will explode. And as of now, about 2,000 firms are accepting Dogecoin. And if Tesla accepts it, then this number is going to explode. So the point of this discussion is that despite its market price, Doge is the best crypto in terms of utility and scalability. And this is exactly what Mark Cuban is saying, and this is exactly why he is favoring Dogecoin among other cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We have seen that Elon Musk has also pointed out this amazing feature of Dogecoin and has frequently stated that Dogecoin is the most suited crypto for making transactions. And this is why he has claimed that Dogecoin is fundamentally the best crypto compared to all others he has ever seen. So we are now seeing that two big names are backing Dogecoin, and this is exactly what Doge needs to thrive in the future. And the main thing to note is whether Dogecoin trades in the red or the green. Holders should focus on its utility and adoption, because this is what Dogecoin is about. And this is what people like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban expect from Dogecoin. And now if we come to Dogecoin's current price movements, we can see that it is now trading in the green, and it has shown positive movement during the last 24 hours. And with positive movement, we can see that some of the technical indicators for Dogecoin have turned bullish. And although this is not a major surge, I think it is still pretty positive for Doge and its holders. And the main reason why we are seeing Dogecoin moving up is that we know that there are some rumors about Test accepting Doge payments. And another reason why Dogecoin as well as other cryptos are now moving up is that inflation has again broken previous records. So we are now seeing that the latest US Consumer Price Index has revealed that the inflation rate is 7% in December. In fact, is now the 7th consecutive month in which inflation topped 5%. And this is exactly why we are now seeing that Dogecoin, Bitcoin and other cryptos are trading back in the grain. And now if we come to Bitcoin, we are seeing that right after the latest CPI was revealed, Bitcoin's price went up, and Bitcoin now trading in the 43K to 44K range. And it was expected that Bitcoin and other cryptos would move up once the CPI would be released. This is because it was also expected that the inflation rate would increase. And as there is confirmation of it, we are now seeing that Bitcoin and the overall market are moving up, and it is highly. It will continue to move up in the coming trading sessions because investors are now rushing to cryptos like Bitcoin and Dogecoin to hedge against rising inflation. So this is a very positive thing for the overall crypto market. And talking about Bitcoin, crypto analyst Justin Bennett has recently predicted that if Bitcoin manages to maintain support around 40K price range, it will initiate a sizable rally in the coming days. He believes that Bitcoin has a habit of dropping 4 to 8% below liquidation wick before bouncing. And it has occurred 5 times since the start of 2021, excluding the first week of December. And now, as Bitcoin has bounced from the 90-day low of 39, it is highly likely that Bitcoin is due for a relief rally. And as Bitcoin has bounced from the 39K price range, Galaxy Digital CEO, Mike Novogratz, believes that the price of Bitcoin has hit the bottom at around on 38K to 40K range. And he believes that there is a tremendous amount of institutional demand on the sidelines, and institutional investors see Bitcoin's declining price as an opportunity goodbye. And this rising demand for Bitcoin by institutional investors is going to help its price move up in the long term. So this is yet again a massive bullish indicators for Bitcoin. And now we know that while institutional investors have remained interested in Bitcoin, retail interest was fading away during the last few weeks. And this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin and the overall market saw a major crash. However, Pascal Goer, CEO of crypto wallet firm Ledger, believes that the tail interest in Bitcoin is now coming back. He has stated that the number of addresses with the smallest amount of Bitcoin is now increasing in comparison to the number of whales. And there is now a global retail trend toward increasing faith in Bitcoin. And this is why Bitcoin is now moving up, and it will continue to move up from, and recent data from on-chain market intelligence provider Glassnode is supporting this claim by Pascal Goer. We can see on this chart that the number of Bitcoin addresses with a non-zero balance is currently at all-time highs, topping out just short of 40 million. And this is an important metric that shows the true state of Bitcoin adoption. So if Bitcoin manages to break, we will be seeing Dogecoin following its trajectory. Dogecoin is also following Bitcoin, as it is also trading up during the last 24 hours. Moreover, we have just seen how people like Mark Cuban and Elon Musk are endorsing Doge. So there are a lot of bullish things to do. This is exactly what will be driving its price to go up in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.